How to add Naira bank account to your QubitsCube wallet. When you log in, you would click the wallet button. When the wallet button opens, you see where a plus sign is displayed. When you click the plus sign, you will see where it's written Naira. Select Naira. When the add wallet page opens, you fill in the details starting with your name. After you put your name, where you see wallet, you put your bank account name. After that, you see where it is written Naira wallet account. Naira wallet account is your bank account number. Input the correct bank account number as well as your phone number and other details required. Then you submit. After it loads, you see that your Naira account has been added successfully. With that Naira bank account added, you can always withdraw directly to your Naira account.